So, wir verkaufen jetzt Katzen. Mal schauen, was passiert. Hi.
Just committing that arson.
Do you need some cats?
He has never been in the race car.
Those fucking cats, they don't sell. So hard.
There's cats.
So hard to sell them.
Okay.
Yeah. Does somebody need some cats?
No.
Sorry to interrupt.
I need a cat.
What do you do with a cat?
Jesus, nobody wants them. I give them away for free actually.
Can I look at them?
Then I have to open the box and...
Why are you picking it?
Yeah, they don't sell, I don't like them, I hate them, I hate those fucking animals.
Hey, are you really kicking a cat there?
Yeah.
Are you kicking a cat there right now?
Yeah, why?
You open that box and show me a cat. Don't kick a box if there's a cat in there, dude. That's a live thing. What's the matter with you?
Yeah, but it's just an animal.
It doesn't matter if it's an animal, it's a living thing.
They don't feel so much, you know, they have very small brains and...
I don't think you should kick that if there's a real cat in there, bro.
What do you mean?
I said I don't think you should kick that box if there's actually an animal in there.
I can do with them what I want.
I mean,
cats.
I'm letting you know that that's not a nice thing to do, especially if you're in front of people. Don't be kicking a cat.
That's your opinion, but I can do whatever I want. You don't believe so? What? Can you speak English? I don't understand German. Can you talk? May you talk English to me?
I can talk English to you now. Tear your hat off and shit in your throat if you want to. Or call the police. That's maltreatment.
Because I'm kicking...
That's maltreatment.
Because...
Dabbing in the box and kicking them.
Come on, man.
If you want to take them to glasses...
No reason to call the police.
Honestly.
So I better don't take them off?
You better than you just lift it and go away and give them somewhere. And that sounds like a recorder. Any hidden camera around here?
Yeah, sorry, we just did a YouTube prank video. You reacted great that many people just don't do anything when I do this. They just look away or they look angry, but they don't do anything.
I
have a microphone here. And my friend is filming here.
That's actually the first I thought about that whole thing, because I waited a while. Because if it was really, if it really would have been cat, yeah, it's exactly.
Can you also treat him like a...
Yeah, you can kick them. Just with everything. Do you want them? Do you want them?
No, thank you. I already have one.
Same.
Hi, do you want to buy some cats? I give them away for free. No? Those cats, they don't sell. Jesus Christ, shut the fuck up. I don't speak German.
Are there real cats in there?
Yeah, do you want them? Because I have to go now by train and yeah, I can't take them with me. They are from my girlfriend. I don't like them.
I hope you are.
Why are you getting so rude?
Because it's not funny.
What do you mean?
If this is supposed to be a joke, then it's not funny.
What do you mean?
Just throwing these cats on the ground, kicking them?
Yeah, because I hate them. That's why. They don't shut the fuck up. I mean, what can I do with them?
I hope you're joking, because if not, I'm calling the police.
You're calling the police?
Yes.
For what? Those are just cats? What's the problem?
Where are you from?
There are rules for that. And I bet you're German. Nee, ernsthaft.
Are you really going to call the police now?
Wie heißt das? Tierschützer?
Ich glaube, wir könnten auch reingehen. Das sind so viele Kollegen, die rumverkaufen.
Das ist aber ein Scherz.
What are you discussing?
Guck mal, ich sehe kurz nach, ob da welche rumpatrouillieren und da rufe ich sie einfach.
Ja, es war ein YouTube-Shorts-Video. Es sind keine echten Katzen drin, das ist ein Lautsprecher. Ihr habt gut reagiert, finde ich. Also ja, ihr habt euch eingesetzt für die Katzen. Mein Kollege filmt hier.
Ich hasse dich.
Und ich habe hier ein Mikro. Hi, do you need some cats? I give them away for free.
No, I'm so sorry.
Nobody wants my fucking cats.
Oh my God!
Fuck off.
Kumpel, lass das.
Anyways, are you stupid?
I hate them, I hate them.
Shall I call the police?
Why?
Why?
Why should you call the
Try to
police?
kill them.
I try to kill them,
okay.
no.
Okay, komm.
I don't.
Polizei.
I don't kill them, they are in the box, just kick them. They don't feel so much
Takes
anyway.
this one with you. You like it?
If somebody does this with me, yeah, I'm a human being. Nobody has the right to do that with me, but I can do that with my animals.